Today's topic is syllogism. Let's get started. How we can solve the questions based on this. First question, we have two statements and two conclusions. The first statement is all pens are pencils, and the second statement is some books are pens. So for understanding these two statements we have to draw. All pens are pencils. It means all the pens are included into the circle of pencils. So after that we have some books are pens. If some books are pens, so we have two options. We can show the books with pen and pencil intersecting with the circle of pen and pencil both, and in the second option we can show the books only with the pens because the some books are pens. So now for these two possibilities we have to check both the conclusions one by one. Okay, if in both the diagrams we check for the conclusion, some pencils are books. In both you can see that some pencils are books. So the first conclusion is true. Now check for the second conclusion. Some pencils are pens. This is also true, so we can conclude that both conclusions are true. This is the answer for this question. Let's do question number 5. Statement 1. All buckets are tubs and all mugs are tubs. Here also we have two options. We draw both one by one. Buckets included into the circle of tubs. And in the next statement we have all mugs are tubs. We have one more choice. Have a look on that. The bucket is included into all the tubs and all mugs are tubs, so they can be intersect with the bucket also. Now it's time to check for the conclusion one by one for both the possibilities. As some buckets are mugs. In the first one we can say that buckets and mugs are not intersecting, but in the second it is intersecting. Now check for the second conclusion. Some tubs are mugs. So in both the diagrams it is true. So we can conclude that conclusion 1 is false and conclusion 2 is true. Try another questions and ask your doubts tomorrow. Thank you for today. Bye. Have a nice day.